Hey Danielle, I spoke with Paula, and my name is Lee Tarbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I've found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. First thing I want to do is go over content. Now, it all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. So you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And as we scroll down on your home page, anything that is highlighted is considered content. I'd say you guys have roughly 150 words on your home page. So I did a quick search for Plumber Concord, and plumbingconcord.com came up as in first place. So I wanted to see what their content looked like. And as you can see, they don't really have much content either, maybe 150 words as well. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, which we'll get into keywords later, you'll be beating them in that aspect. So let's go back to this search, Plumber Concord NC. And I'm going to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads. People pay to be up here and can get very costly if you don't run them effectively. And honestly, it's a money pit. And if you're ranking in this GMB section and the organic section, then you don't really need to run ads because you'll be getting plenty of business from those other 2. So let's touch base on them. So this is the GMB or Google My Business. Now this is completely separate from your website. And I'm sure you know that because you have you're currently in first place for this keyword in the GMB. And what dictates your ranking in this section is a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. But anyways, you guys are doing great in that aspect, but I'd like to go out and get 200, 300, really solidify your position there, and also keep them away because I'm guaranteed they're trying to get up above you in this section. So like I said, and plus getting 200 to 300 of them, that'll also put your business name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So let's touch base on the 3rd section. This is the organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. I have a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I put your website 3-way plumbing in, and this will show me a basic overview of all the stats. So your UR and your DR is a 30 and 18. Now this is your overall strength of your website and trust, and this is the overall strength of your backlink profile. Now a backlink is what ranks you in this section. A backlink is any other website that refers back to your website. So you want relative sites linking back to your website from like other plumbers or construction sites. If Pizza Hut were to link back to you guys, it's not going to transfer as much power as another construction or plumbing website, HVAC. Like I said, all backlinks aren't created equal, and it's the same with those citations. They're not created equal. Some are stronger than others, and some are a lot weaker than others. So it's showing me that you have 118 referring domains. That means 118 websites are giving you 507 backlinks total. So let's go look at your competition. They have a UR of 30 and a 4.5 backlinks. So that tells me that they have a 59 referring domains giving them almost 3,500 backlinks. So that's why they're up above you right now. They currently just have more than you, but that's not unbeatable. It's very beatable. You guys are ranking for 374 keywords, and it's only bringing you 126 traffic because you're not at the top. So your competition's ranking for 545 keywords, and he's getting over 1,300 traffic, bringing in $32,000. But what the best part about this is we can go into his referring domains, see what backlinks he has, and go and submit for these for your business. We know it's working for him, so it'll work for you. Once you start adding these, it's going to start adding a lot of power to your UR and your DR, and you're going to start climbing the rankings for keywords, because when you add a backlink, you have an anchor text. I'm sure you've seen them before. It's like a hyperlink on another page where you click on the word, it takes you to another page. Well, that's what a backlink is. So, but you use these keywords as the anchor text to click on, and that transfers power using that keyword and bumps you up in the rankings. So anyways, that was what a backlink is. And like I said, I'm just doing a quick overview. If you'd like to learn a lot more, and I can go a lot more in depth on everything if you message me back. But let's just go over a quick overview of what we talked about today. You need at least 1,500 words on your home page to fit those keywords throughout, one per every 100 words, and then you'll start seeing a massive improvement in that aspect. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web. I want to get 200 to 300 more for your business to get your name out there so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And then that'll beat these guys out by a landslide. They'll never be able to come back. And the third thing we talked about was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can call me at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number's 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.